going to the crown of all castles, it's Castle Hohenzollern. Today we are going to the crown of all castles in Swabia, Castle Hohenzollern. This castle, Hohenzollern, also has its own song, which is written here. This is the main parking before going to the castle up here. But there was someone who stopped the car and asked if we have tickets. We are visiting here just for 2 hours, so we don't have the tickets. He said if you don't have tickets, you have to go or wait until 4 p.m. for the next tour. So we went down, and just 500 meters, 1 kilometer from this place, there was another parking or cars parked beside the road or on the roadside. So you can just leave your car there. There's no parking charges or parking machine, and come up for a hike. There we go. It's a super steep hike. Just look at that. And I'm already tired. Spotted one more parking here, just at the footpath to the castle. We are just there, but just one more flight of steps up. If you find it difficult to walk up, there's also a bus that goes every 10 minutes from the parking, from 10 a.m. to 6:30 p.m. It's a shuttle bus here. But if you want to walk, then these steps will take you up in 20 minutes. We are so close to the castle, just 100 meters maybe. By the way, I always keep making hiking, walking videos, so tell me if you like hiking, if you prefer to go hiking or walking to castles and forests, because that's a life culture here. Like when you come to Germany, then a lot of people or everybody loves hiking, going for walks, long walks. We have been to the longest one, is 20 kilometers one side, so let me know if you like it in comments. One more cultural aspect of going for walk or hiking is that strangers coming in across you while hiking will say hi, morgen, hello, something when they meet you. That's kind of culture here. So I freaked out in the start, but now I'm used to it. See, they took a completely different way, not this kind of road, but the forest way to go down to the car park. We reached here, but you see the kind of crowd behind me, because the person there is saying that the tickets are totally sold out. So this is one thing in Germany, that if the tickets are sold out, you don't get it. It's like doctor's appointment. There's nobody there, but they just say that we are not taking any new patients. It's kind of that. So this is a castle and you can go in any time, and I found it weird that they say that tickets are sold out. I mean, we could have just got here and go. So whenever you're in Germany, remember that you need to plan ahead. If you want to go to some place, okay, take the information beforehand. If you need tickets to go there, if you have to book something in advance, because at the last moment if you reach there, nobody's letting you in like it happens in India. So plan well. That's one more cultural characteristics of coming to Germany. These are the opening times for this year 2023, and also the ticket prices. So for adults it costs 22 euros, and for children it costs 10 euros. Family 45 euros. So all this if you buy online. If you don't buy online, then it's 3 euros extra easily. 25 euros for adults. Lesson learned: when you come to Germany, plan ahead, check everything online in advance if you want to save money, because they are not going to let you in even if there's nobody going inside. What do you think, Ruby?
Yeah, I think it's a nice idea.
What?
To plan
And come. Yeah, we Indians, we like to just go everywhere spontaneously, and then such things happen. Schade. Just enjoy the view from outside now.
We enjoyed the hiking at least.
Yeah, we enjoyed the hiking, and that was it. I was saying that was one thing good, that we could hike here. We took lots of videos before coming, so there was a good green field with yellow dandelions out there, and we took lovely photos and videos there. So my aim of coming here is done. This is the shuttle bus that takes you from parking to the castle. We are also taking the difficult forest way and ditching the concrete path. You have to be very careful here. कैसल देखने तो मिला नहीं हमको, बट खाना तो अच्छा मिले. So we found a restaurant, Hope Good, which is right along this way from the castle. So our car is parked there, and we came walking along a footpath and going to the restaurant. And that's our restaurant. I'm already loving the vibe of this restaurant because it's Hofgut. Hof means farm, and I can see ponies, horses on the farm, and many other animals. Wow, completely loved it. They are walking. Our car is 1.5 kilometers away from here, so we came walking until the restaurant. When I never used to walk so much in India, but since we came to Germany, we just keep walking. Like 1 kilometer feels like nothing after moving here. This also has live music stage and such a lovely location. Totally loved it. Stuttgart Swabian dark beer. Yummy. Food has arrived. This is our pommes. They taste so yummy because they are totally fresh, like unlike the McD ones which are frozen. So we really like eating pommes in a German restaurant. They are made really fresh. This one is Linsen lasagna. So Linsen means pulses, the brown pulses, moong or masoor dal. So they've made a lasagna out of that with fresh cheese and vegetables, and also having some fresh Swabian beer.
Yes.
I like to go to different villages and try the beer, especially from those villages, because it's very pure and very I think unique to the region. So when you go to new regions, you try the beer, it's very unique taste or very unique characteristics that it has. So I always go and do that, and this is the first time I'm having Swabian beer. Yeah. Ancient schnitzel with spätzle.
This is what I was waiting for.
This restaurant is so cool. They have their own golf park. This is the restaurant area, and the most special part is they have their own deer park. Deer park is animal park. So there are many animals here in their own zoo. Just look at them. Let's go and check out. So that was our hiking trip to this castle Hohenzollern today. How did you like it? Let me know in comments and follow me on Instagram and YouTube. Until my next video, and we are going hiking back home. This lovely view. Isn't it so beautiful?